Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. In this video, we'll explore a simple yet powerful technique that allows you to control your dreams without losing sleep. Ideal for beginners, this method lays the foundation for mastering the art of lucid dreaming. Step 1. Remember a dream in detail. Let's begin with the first step. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to recall a recent dream. Remember as many details as you can, the sights, sounds, and how you felt. This practice tunes your mind into the realm of dreams, making it easier to become lucid later on. Step 2. Visualize a dream environment. Next, visualize a dream environment. Picture a setting that fascinates you, be it a peaceful forest, a serene beach, or even a different planet. Immerse yourself in this visualization, experiencing it with all your senses. The more vivid your imagination, the stronger your foundation for lucid dreaming. Step 3. Imagine realizing you're dreaming. The final step is the key to becoming lucid. In your visualized dream world, imagine realizing that you're dreaming. This moment of awareness is your gateway to control. Think about the endless possibilities and freedom you have within this dream world. You can fly, explore, create. Your imagination is your only limit. Conclusion. As you practice these steps, you'll find yourself gradually gaining control over your dream world. Remember, like any skill, lucid dreaming takes practice and patience, but the rewards are boundless. Embrace this journey into your subconscious and discover the limitless potential of your dreams. Closing, thank you for joining us in this exploration of lucid dreaming. As you venture into sleep tonight, remember these steps and prepare to unlock the doors to an incredible dreaming experience. Sweet dreams and happy dreaming. D.